Hi everyone, I'm Rohit and I'm a trainer of web development at St.Marys Hyderabad. For the past 3 weeks, me and my team have been training a group of youngsters from St. Mary's in the domain of web development. And in these 3 weeks, we have seen some very passionate youngsters. And today we have one such passionate youngster who is Harini. So, hi Harini.
Hello, sir.
Harini, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, guys. I'm Harini, and I'm studying CSC in St. Mary's College. I'm from Maychur district. So, in my family, I'm the first engineer. I'm engineer. Like I'm studying engineer. I'm the first student studying engineer. That's it about myself.
Thank you, Harini. So, when did you first start learning web development?
From past 3 weeks ago, sir. After
Okay,
knowing about this training session,
okay. So, what got you to start learning it?
I'm really interested in learning early than others.
Okay, okay. So, what were your thoughts about yourself as a learner when you started?
I was a bit afraid of learning. Like, I don't know about you guys. I don't know about the training, and I'm starting at first. So I was a bit afraid, but now I overcame everything and I'm learning all those things.
Okay. So, as a web developer, what are your thoughts about yourself today?
Today, as from 3 weeks, I can write in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code by myself. Not that perfect, but I can. Not that much perfect, but I can try to write a code.
Okay.
I can
So,
create a website.
okay. So, can you recollect anything that you created in these 3 weeks?
Yeah, we have explored many things from past 3 weeks ago, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay.
We have done many activities. We took a code and we explored everything about that code.
Okay.
And a mini project was also held by our sirs.
So, what was this mini project about?
This mini project is about creating our own website
Okay.
with like taking a trailer and uh, keeping that in the code
So, how was
like
this
that.
mini project exciting to you?
That so this mini project is so nice that I can do it by myself by not depending others. Uh, from past 3 weeks ago, I can implement everything on this mini project. So I was excited about to do that.
Okay. So, what were some learning methodologies that helped you grow as a web developer?
In this journey, like from past 3 weeks,
Hmm.
there is a method called payment technique.
Okay.
So in that payment technique, we learned that uh, not only learning is important, we have to learn it by understanding the
Okay.
concept. If we are able to explain it to a 5-year-old kid, even if it's difficult, we can explain it to everyone.
Okay.
That's the strategy of that technique.
Okay. So, have you been able to use Feynman technique anywhere?
Yes, of course, sir. If any of our brothers or cousins, if even they come to us and ask what's HTML and what you are doing,
Hmm.
like we can explain it in taking a real life example.
Okay. So, uh, how were the sessions like? Were you told what to do, or were you asked to do something, and were you encouraged to come up with your own answers? How was the session like?
We The session was very friendly. We are
Okay.
encouraged ourselves by getting our own answers, not
Okay.
forcefully, but by thinking ourselves.
Okay. All right. So what were some fun activities that you did other than web development?
Other than web development, to increase like friendship between others and interact with each other,
Mhm.
we have done a fun activity like asking questions and answering in wrong answers, giving wrong answers. That builds up our confidence.
Okay.
Like that's the one. Yeah, that's one. I can remember that one thing.
All right. So how do you think that these learning methodologies and these fun activities can help you in your academics at St. Mary's?
We can build our confidence and we can overcome our fear.
Okay.
Many of them have stage fear these days and they can't go up and speak out. So
Okay.
they will get confidence and they speak out by these activities.
So do you think that this boost in confidence that you get at in a web development session can help you with your subjects like physics or mathematics?
Yes, of course, sir. By understanding like the concept and answering means taking every wrong answer and knowing the right answer,
Okay.
it helps is us in academics also.
So if you're confident with your learning, do you think you'll be able to ask questions in a more confident manner?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay. So
We are confident to ask questions if we understand the concept.
okay. So how do you think questions can help you with your academics? How do you think asking questions can help you with your academics? Am I audible?
If we question, we can. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, if we understand the concept well, we can
Okay.
able to raise questions or doubts.
Okay.
So questions help us to clarify our doubts.
All right. Okay. Um, so what would you like to say to the rest of JSMIS or to the rest of St. Mary's about learning web development or about learning these, learning methodologies?
Actually, everyday life we see many websites and many things on our phone. We use many websites in our phone, so we have to know how these websites have come and what's behind this website. So
Okay.
the thing is web development. So I encourage everyone to learn about web development
Okay.
because we can create our own websites too.
Okay. So how would you go about spreading these learning methodologies so that the rest of St. Mary's can not only learn web development but they can also do amazing in their own academics? How do you think you would like to contribute to that?
I would like to tell them like by showing our projects, like our
Okay.
outputs to them.
Okay. So would you
I will
like to
encourage.
so would you like to engage them in your own mini project? Would you like to give them a mini project?
Yes, sir. I'm very excited in that way.
Okay. So how long did it take for you to start learning web development and do the mini project? How long did it take?
It's just 2 weeks.
Okay. So do you think that if you could do it in 2 weeks, the rest of St. Mary's can also do it?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay. All right, Harini. I think we. I'm quite happy that we could explore your journey. So, how do you feel about you know reflecting on your journey as we did right now?
Actually, this is a great opportunity for me to get into this
Okay.
sessions and this training. So I thank everyone for giving this opportunity, and I'm very excited to see more and more, learn more and more things.
All right, Harini. So, yeah, with that, we'd like to conclude this session. I hope that you get something out of Harini's journey. And yes, thank you so much, Harini.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.